shaggy bob or shaggy Italian bob. So this particular hairstyle involves two hot trends, the Italian bob and a little bit of a shag. So this should be interesting to see how this actually turns out. This is definitely a style that's going to give you some volume because of the layered texture. So cute. Very nice. I love how she styled it. So here we have someone, she's got some very long waist length hair. Looks like she's getting the hair cut into a bob. Very nice. She got a nice, cute little shoulder length bob. Some fun layers put in for that tousled effect. Very cute. Let's cut a bob. So here we have another beautiful bob in the works. Looks like she kind of got like a French girl style bob here. Very cute. This is like a nice modern bob style. That French girl bob has a lot of texture to it. So chic and fun. So next up we have a Pixie makeover. Oh, this one features a nice undercut going there. Very nice. I love the overall shape of this cut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.